Today I'm making another lattice panel for my garden beds, but this one here I'm going to make a different design. This one's going to be a bit sleeker than the previous one. Now this lattice is 2 feet by 8 feet, and the first thing that I want to do, I want to make my end pieces. So just double check. Yep, 24 inches. For the frame of the panel I'm using hemlock, and this is 1 by 6. So I'll be cutting 2 pieces out of this, because the frame will be 3 inches wide. So I need 2 feet. Okay, this board is 6 inches. I think it's, yeah, right on 6 inches. So I set my saw up 3 inch, and that's right on center. I got my dado blade set up at 5/8 depth and 3/8 width. Okay, let's see how these fit. There. Fit nice and snug. Now I'm not done with these yet. I still have some dadoing to do on the ends. There. Now I get the length of my side frame. I got 103/8. 103/8. 103/8. Okay, I'm going to rip this down the middle. Okay, I got my saw set up to dado these ends. This needs to slide into the groove on the side pieces. I have them approximately 3/8 depth and a 1/2 inch wide. Okay, now these end pieces, I want to just put a drop of glue where each one of these is going in the groove. So I just lay that on the center it. And just put this is construction adhesive. This is pretty powerful stuff. And I just put just a little bead there, a little there, a little there, a little there, and a little here. There. Now I'm going to do the same on the side pieces. Now this is a son of a gun, this here part. I'm trying to get these all lined up. Okay, now I got these pole clamps. Don't tighten these up too tight. We want to adjust this, make sure everything's in place. Now I like to go around the edges with the, and just tap them. Well, more than tap. It just seats them in better. Yeah, see that, draw that in a little better. Yep. This is just one of the many uses you could have for this lattice panel, and it's fairly easy and not too expensive. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.